Can you solve this expression? If you think answer for this question is 1, then you are absolutely wrong. Because according to order of operation which is PEMDAS, we get the right answer. Most people solve this expression as they cancel this and what left? 12 divided by 12. So here we get 1, but this is the wrong value. So write the question which is 12 divided by 12 over 8 times 8. So we get the correct value if we solve this expression by using order of operation which is PEMDAS, where P stands for parenthesis, E stands for exponent, M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A addition, S subtraction. Here multiplication division both have equal priorities, therefore go from left to right. Same for addition and subtraction. So this is the priority order of solving this expression. Now you will get the correct value for this expression. So here one more thing you have to remember is if in division any fraction is there, then use KCF rule. KCF means keep the first fraction as it is, change this division into multiplication and flip this 8 by 12 times 8. Now cancel this. Here 8 8s are 64. So this is the correct value for this expression.